So the thing is, guys, that this is the packaging. Looks sturdy. It is sturdy. However, and also the Apple sign and everything is. So this is the one that they exchanged when I went and complained. They exchanged and gave this to me. Initially, when I had got the other one, which was so basically that cable was duplicate. So the one that I had got at that time, it showed an Apple symbol over here, which is black. So I am not very well. I mean, I didn't want to look into all of that. I just wanted a charger to charge my phone, and it gave me an impression that my phone is not working, that my phone has malfunctioned. Yeah, and it was a whole night of terror. So anyway, the other day, the next day, I went to the same shop. I told him that my phone is not charging. So what he did was, Radio Shack is the name of the shop. I'm telling it again, Khan Market Radio Shack. This guy takes the cable and says that, okay, I'm putting my phone on charge. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, so I'm putting my phone on charger, and let me just check it, ma'am. 5 minutes it was on charge. There was no difference. So there's this guy who owns the shop, or maybe who takes care of the shop. He's the main guy in the shop. He says that, trying to basically mock me, or indirectly trying to pass on comments like it's just 1700, kya hai, change karke de do. I didn't react. I mean, I was not in a mood to react. I took the new charger, which is this, and I just came back. Also, I went to the iPhone store. So there's iWorld. So this is what it says, iWorld. Okay, I went to iWorld, which is also in Khan Market, which I should have gone to in the first place itself. They, without even touching this, they said that this is duplicate. Okay, I don't know how they figured out, but of course they have had experience in this. So they said that when you ever want to check out, your whether the product is authentic or not, so the very first thing is that you check is the packaging. So this looks sturdy, but if you compare it with the actual Apple packaging, so let me show you. So I bought another cable, which was from iWorld. That is this. Looks exactly the same. So don't go by these symbols. Both of these symbols are available. So let me show you. This. Okay. So yeah, this is the symbol. So this is also original. Out of these three, only this is the one that's duplicate. So I just want to tell you guys that you cannot really figure out unless you touch and unless you're a pro in this. So basically what I want to say is, this guy told me that when you want to check whether the product is authentic or not, just first check the packaging. So let's talk about, this is the original with the black symbol. This is the duplicate one. Okay, both are cables. Now let's just check it out. So the duplicate packaging we'll go ahead with first. So you open it like this. So there's a kind of seal over here. You just remove it like this. There's a small arrow, if you can see. 1 second. Yeah. So you just remove it from here. That's how you remove it. And then you just pull it up. It's exactly what the original packaging looks like. Okay, this is the duplicate one though. Now you take out the extra packaging which is there, which is this. It's very basic, but you need to understand that this original packaging has the same stuff, but I don't know if I'm making sense or not, but this has like 4 flaps. This has 3 flaps. The original one has 4 flaps, and this is fixed. Like this is proved. I've spoken to the future the iWorld person time and again, and even after this. So he says that this one, the original one, will have 4 flaps. Let me just show you. So see, the packaging is the same. So there will have a seal over here which I've removed. So the packaging, it opens the same. Now let me take out this. Just look at this. So this has 4 flaps. So basically 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is pretty broad, like pretty broad. Look at this one. This is just some random piece of paper. And like it is joined. It's like it doesn't separate. It doesn't have 2 ends. It's just circular. Whereas the original packaging has 2 ends. I'm sure I probably am not making sense to you guys, but do check these things out when you are, next time when you're buying, iPhone users, when you're buying things, because there's a lot of first copy stuff in the market and they can easily fool you. So this duplicate charger, this guy, Radio Shack shop number, I'm not sure of the shop number, I don't want to comment on that, but this guy charged me 1700, which is the price of the actual cable. So if you look at this cable is different. This is C-type cable. So but the normal cable, which is the normal iPhone cable, which has a USB jack on the other end, that is for 1700, and he charged me 1700, gave me the duplicate stuff. Okay, this is about the flap. Okay, next thing is the booklet inside it. So let me show you the original booklet. This is how it looks like. There'll be two booklets. You can't really figure out the difference. It's very, very minute details which are there. So the first thing is, let me just check the booklets of this. So if you can see, the booklets look exactly the same for the duplicate one as well. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you can figure out. You can't figure out actually. Yep. So yeah, now what it says, so I'll give you the pictures also with the video. You'll figure out. So the booklets are different. The Apple symbols on the booklets are different. Yeah. So that's about it. Also, most important, I don't know if you can see. If you can't see, I'll post the pictures as well. This is the original packaging. The original iPhone packaging. There's an extra flap inside, if you can see here. It sounds stupid, but guys, these things will be saviors for you. The next time nobody can fool around with you. Like I've had, this was the second experience with Radio Shack. Initial experience I'll share some other day. So there's another packaging. Most important thing, this guy from iWorld, he told me that whenever you want to compare, just shake the package and see if the things are moving inside and you can actually hear them. If you can hear them, if that means it's not very sturdily packed. It's not Apple. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now the next thing, whenever you're buying it from an authorized Apple seller or reseller, they will always give you a bill. Always give you a bill. Radio Shack doesn't give you a bill. If you ask for it, they'll just give you a random slip out of some notepad. So this is the bill that I have from, this is the bill and this is the slip. And the bill has their hallmark. iWorld. I also went to Future World just to recheck and reconfirm things. Future World also will give you a bill, and it broadly says Future World. So few things, packaging, bill, and they'll always give you iWorld and Future World, some signature stuff they'll always give you along with it. So bills, it's packaging, and booklets, of course. Booklets are easy to copy, but there are very minute things that. Now this one, the original, the faulty one, the duplicate one, it says designed by Apple in California, made in China. You can't see this as of now. I'll post the pictures also. And the original one, not just the cable, but also I got the adapters also the adapter. So it does say made in China, but these things you can't really figure out. So this is exactly the same. If you can, if you just check, only there's a difference in color. See, so this one is original, this one is duplicate. Things are exactly the same, exactly. So that's how they fool you. So anyway, I'll put in the guidelines with the pictures followed in this video. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I don't generally share these kind of videos because I don't think it's it's not needed. There are a couple of videos, a lot of videos on YouTube regarding this, but then I wanted to share this because I want to make sure that nobody reaches out to that shop. It's a fraud. Yeah. Good night, guys.